Alright, welcome back friends. So we'll be doing problem 20 from RE 109cc 2074 set, and here we have to find the unknown value x where the third quartile is given, and this is a continuous series because the class intervals are given here, right? So let's uh, draw the table and do these problems. So we take these marks obtained at as x, right, and number of students as frequency f, and we need to use the cumulative frequency, right? So it is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, right? This is simple, you just fill these. Okay, 40 to 50, and number of students are 3, 7, 10, x, and 3. And cumulative frequency is frequency added, right? So first it is 3, but second time, so it will be 3 plus 7, so it will be 10, right? And third time it is 3 plus 7 plus 10, it is 20. And fourth time, adding all these, 20 plus x, right? You just add these, and at last, so it will be 20 plus x plus 3, so it will be 23 plus x, and total frequency, right? So n will be equal to these, all of these added, or the last cumulative frequency, which is equal to 23 plus x. um, so we know that the third quartile is 32, so 32 lies between 30 to 40, right? So quartile range is 30 to 40, and Q3 is 32. So from 30 to 40, this is the lowest value of class interval. So in this range, the lowest possible value is 30, because if anything is below 30, so that will be within this 20 to 30 range, not 30 to 40, right? So the lowest class here is 30, and we can write the formula for Q3, and we can also find the other values, like the difference between these class interval, that is called I, is equal to 10. That means this class interval is of 10 gap, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, right? So the difference is 10. And frequency means the frequency of the same class range, uh, that is the class range of the quartile Q3, right? So Q3 is in the range 30 to 40. So the frequency between 30 to 40 is x. So the frequency will be x. Look here, quartile lies here, so the frequency will be this, right? And when we write the cumulative frequency for in this formula, we choose the cumulative frequency of a class uh, smaller than the, the frequency, the actual class interval where the quartile lies. So the quartile lies between 30 to 40, so the cumulative frequency should be chosen from this range, right, from 20 to 30. So the cumulative frequency of 20 to 30 is 20. We take cumulative frequency of one step prior to the actual class interval and actual frequency, so we take 20. So from formula, Q3 is equal to lowest terms plus 3n upon 4 minus CF upon F times I, right? So this is the formula, and now let's put the values here. So Q3 is 32 is equal to L means 30, the lowest term, plus 3 times n means here we have already calculated it, it is 23 plus x, right, divided by 4 minus CF is 20 a new fold divided, and then here frequency f means x, and it is I, sorry, the value of I is 10. Let's see it, 10, right? So if we take this 30 on the left hand side, so it will be 32 minus 30, which is equal to 2, is equal to, if we simplify this, so 3 times 23 is 69 plus 3x minus 80 divided by 4x times 10, right? And so we can write or we cannot write, so we don't need to write that. So 2 is equal to 3x, and if we do the simplification, it will be 3x minus 11, 3x minus 11 divided by 4x times 10. So this 10 will multiply on the numerator, and this 4x, let's take this one to the left hand side. So it will be 8x on the left hand side is equal to, if we multiply this expression with 10, it will be 30x minus 110. And if we do the simplification, it will give us x equal to 8 22 22 5 is a 110. So the value of x is 5. Therefore this is our answer. Got it? Good, and good luck.